In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently automate tasks using Make. This step-by-step guide is perfect for those looking to streamline their workflows by leveraging the power of automation. All right, let's get started. First things first, open your browser and head over to the Make website. If you haven't already, log into your account to reveal your personal dashboard. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard where you manage all your scenarios. Here, you'll want to look for the option that says Create a new scenario and click on it. This action will launch you into the Scenario Builder, your workspace for constructing automation flows. As you enter the Scenario Builder, you'll notice a prominent plus button inviting you to add a new module to your scenario. Go ahead and click it. This will initiate a search dialog where you can specify which service you'd like to use. Now, let's say we want to interact with Google Drive. Simply type Google Drive into the search bar and select it from the list of available services. With Google Drive selected, the next step is to determine the specific action you'd like to automate, whether it's uploading a file, watching files for chains, or maybe creating a new folder. Select the action that suits your needs. Once chosen, you'll see a new module added to your scenario flow. Continuing with our example, let's focus on downloading a file from Google Drive. When you choose download a file, the scene is set for this operation, but you'll first need to create a connection to your Google account. This is a crucial step. When the pop-up appears, sign in with your Google credentials and ensure you grant make.com access to interact with your Google Drive files. This authorization is paramount for seamless automation. After establishing the connection, you'll want to configure the Google Drive module. Choose the specific Google Drive you'll be working with, whether it's a personal account or a workspace account. Once selected, pinpoint the folder, file type, or action required for your task. Now comes the testing phase. Run the scenario once to make sure everything functions as expected. Should any permissions or setup issues arise, this is the perfect time to debug and resolve them before moving forward. With everything working smoothly, it's time to set a schedule for your automation. Decide the frequency, perhaps every 15 minutes, hourly, or even in real time, and activate the scenario. Once the schedule is set, make sure everything is saved by clicking on the Save button. And there you have it. Your scenario is now live and ready to automate tasks on your behalf. Simply let make.com handle the rest, freeing up your time for more important activities. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.